Renaissance fam, Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. Happy 2022, everybody, all right? Hope y'all left 2021 in the past along with 2020. Real shaky years, but hey, the time is now. This year is a whole new opportunity to do great things, okay? Me personally, I have an entire blueprint of stuff that I want to accomplish this year. So it's basically just, financial, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual level ups, all right? I'm gonna tell y'all, like I told all my close friends, this year is going to be the hardest working year of my life, all right? Everybody goes around saying, oh, this is my year, this is my year. Yeah, but no, I'm just putting that out right now. This is gonna be the hardest working year of my life. I really, have a passion for this, content creation. So I want to continue sharing with y'all and help this channel grow. I want y'all to help me help this channel grow, beyond all measures, beyond anything I could have ever imagined. So with that being said, I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but it's time to work, all right? So as y'all can see, we are back in the kitchen. So y'all know what that means. First recipe of 2022, okay? Today we just doing a simple, restaurant style hot wing. I call it the honey buffalo wing. It's delicious. I made them for a party one time over here. I only ended up with one. I cooked over 200, ended up with one wing. One, all right? So that says a lot for them, okay? So with that being said, y'all buckle up, let's get started.
All right, guys, to kick this thing off, we're gonna start by preheating our oil to about 350 degrees, okay? That's gonna get these wings nice and crispy, and we're gonna start seasoning, okay? So first, we're gonna go in with some of this ranch seasoning. Then we're gonna go in with some of this salt-free Mrs. Dash all-purpose seasoning, all right? You can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you want, but I like this one, okay? Next, we're gonna go in with some paprika. It can be smoked paprika, whatever. We're gonna go in with some Parsely Flakes, okay? It's gonna give us a nice pop of color. And then we're gonna go in with some Cayenne Pepper, all right? This is gonna give us that heat that we want in these wings. Not too overbearing, but perfect, okay? Next, we're gonna go in with some of the best hot sauce ever. You can quote me on that, Crystal Hot Sauce, all right? Next, we're gonna go in with some ground black pepper. It's gonna give us another peppery aspect. And then we're gonna take some gloves and we're gonna mix, all right? It's a messy process, so I would advise y'all to get some gloves, okay? So next up, we're gonna take some cornstarch, all right? This cornstarch is gonna get these wings nice and crispy, all right? And you don't need a lot, just a slight dusting. And then we're gonna take our gloves and we're gonna mix, okay? Make sure you get this cornstarch well incorporated. You want it covered on all of the wing. You won't really be able to see it, but you'll be able to tell it because it'll be a little bit stickier than it is usually, okay? Now what we wanna do is we want to put our wings into our fryer basket, all right? Do not overcrowd your fryer because that will drop the temperature of your oil and then you'll have soggy wings, okay? We want these to be nice and crispy. We don't want to rush them, all right? So we're going to let those cook for about 6 to 8 minutes and we're going to make our sauce, okay? So all it is about 4 tablespoons of Kerry gold butter. Then we're going to take 1 lemon. As you can see, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm gonna juice half of it first, then I'm gonna juice the other half. Make sure I catch the seeds. We don't want any seeds in our sauce, okay? Now I'm gonna add about, who knows, maybe about 5-6 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot sauce, and then we're gonna add maybe 3 tablespoons of honey, okay? It can be whatever type of honey, as long as it's honey, real honey, okay? Add a little bit of that in there. Then we're gonna add a little bit more of that salt-free Mrs. Dash just for a little bit more flavor, okay? Then we're gonna take a whisk and we're gonna whisk this up until it's a nice consistency and everything's mixed in well, all right? So now that our sauce is done, it's time to take our wings out of the fryer. And as you can see, they're very crispy. That's how I like my wings. The soft skin is just very unpleasant for me to eat, all right? If you like your skin softer, then don't fry them as long, okay? But as you can see, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. We're gonna take those wings, we're gonna give them a nice toss, and let everything else do the work, all right? Here's a couple, money shots of these wings, me just, pampering them, making sure that they hit that plate right, making sure that presentation is spot on. You eat with your eyes first, and right here, it don't get no better. This is ideal restaurant style wings. You can't beat them. A lot of people like their wings, breaded. I don't like my wings breaded. I like them naked, nice and crispy with a nice sauce on them, all right? Let's eat.
All right, guys, y'all know the drill. Food is done. We put in the hard work. Time to taste it. Let's get to it. All right, here we go, guys. Beautiful wings, right? straight from a restaurant. Can't beat it. I'm gonna take that one right there. Hey, leave it in the comment section. Y'all for flats, y'all for drums, all right? I'm a drums man, always been a drums man. Y'all can have them flats, all right? It's too much work. All right, here we go. Get a little good, oh yeah, look at that. Whew. Man, I'm hungry too. Man. I started out my 2022 on a diet, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna eat all of these, all right? Eventually I'm gonna have to get a taster because the only time I'm gonna be eating like this is when I'm making videos, okay? Every other day, I'm low calorie, I'm calorie conscious, all right? Low calorie, I'm trying to get in a calorie deficit. I'm trying to look, you know, extravagant for the springtime, summertime. I wanna have the best body I've ever had. I wanna feel the best. This ain't gonna cut it, okay? This is just indulgence. I'm gonna have a flat just for y'all flat people. But there's tricks to eating these things. It's gonna be too late by the time I say this, but if anybody wanna come over, be a tester, let me know. Leave in the comments. I gotta trust you. I'm not gonna let you in my house if I don't trust you, all right? But like I said, guys, real simple recipe, real easy to make. All it takes is a little bit of time, few utensils, few seasonings, squared away, all right? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a really good start to y'all's 2022. Keep me in check, okay? I'm gonna try to keep myself in check because my motto for this year is discipline and consistency, okay? Make that y'all's motto too, all right? Anything takes discipline. Anything that you wanna be good at takes discipline. Anything you really wanna be good at takes consistency, okay? So, with that being said, I love y'all. Hope y'all have a good rest of the week. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all keep on learning, and I'm out.